Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and today we are looking at the compact, ultra powerful air duster. This is going to replace, if you've been purchasing the canned air to blow off your electronics or to clean the dust in your car, you don't need to do that anymore. This here is portable, is rechargeable. It comes with a plethora of different nozzles and brushes. It's going to give you the USB-C charging, and this thing is ultra powerful with 4 different modes. It's a simple unit to use. There's one button to push, and you're going to get 3 different modes. Now, the 4th mode is kind of hidden, and that's our super powerful mode at 130,000 RPM, and you actually have to hold the button in. So if I hold the button in, you're going to hear that. And that's going to help you get all that dust out of that keyboard. I use it in my car to get the dashboard clean. I clean my air vents. You would be amazed what comes out of your air vents when you're using this machine. It fits in the hand nicely. Again, it comes with 6 different nozzles. I use this fine tip one. I also use this one here with the brush on the end to get my keyboard cleaned. So you're going to have tons of options of cleaning your whatever you're trying to clean. Plus, the best part is that they also give you a pack of 10 brushes for like some more delicate cleaning. So you're not going to be without an option of what you're looking for. I highly recommend this. Check it out. You're not going to be disappointed. I promise you, this thing is super cool. You can even use it on that super powerful mode to blow off the leaves off your deck. So, really cool. Give it a try.